If you're seeing a network interruption message in Opera browser, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple fix that can help get your connection back working properly. This is especially useful if Opera's built-in VPN is causing a conflict with your websites or web apps. The steps are quick, easy, and you can follow along in just a minute. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more browser and tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look at the very top left corner of your browser toolbar, right next to the website address bar. If your VPN is turned on, you should see a blue badge that says VPN. That badge tells you Opera's VPN is active. Click the VPN badge to open the VPN panel. In the pop-up window, you'll see a large power toggle button. Click that toggle to turn the VPN off. Once it switches off, try refreshing the page and check whether the network interruption issue is gone. In many cases, that alone can fix the problem right away. If you're still having trouble, we're going to make one more important adjustment inside Opera settings. Click the Opera O logo in the very top left corner of the window. This opens the main menu for the browser. From that menu, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, go to the search bar and type WebRTC. This will help you quickly find the setting we need without scrolling through everything manually. After you type it in, scroll down until you find the section header titled WebRTC. Under the WebRTC section, look for the option that says Use Default Public Network Interfaces Only. Click the circle next to that option to select it. This setting can help Opera handle network routing more safely and may prevent the interruption error from appearing again. After making that change, go back to the tab that was giving you problems and test it again. Refresh the page, reload the site, and see if the connection works normally now. In most cases, turning off the VPN and adjusting the WebRTC setting will clear up the issue. If you still see the error, double check that the VPN is fully off and that the WebRTC option is set correctly. Small browser conflicts like this can happen, but they're usually easy to fix once you know where to look. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix network interruption on Opera browser. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.